All right, now back to SinkShroom. Let's get this out of the packaging and let's see how well it's going to work with some hair. I do have some hair here we're going to try and see if it will catch the hair like it's supposed to catch it. Hello everyone, thanks for watching the video. So we're going to be looking at the SinkShroom today. I'm going to be trying the new version here, or maybe it's the old version, I don't know, but I've had the silicone version of it for about a year or I don't know, maybe 2 years maybe, and this is kind of getting worn. What's happening is it's supposed to kind of stay up a little bit so that water can run around the side of it when it's draining, but now it's kind of just falling down like that, and it has some 5 holes really only to let the water through. So I want to get rid of this now. It's pretty gross, so probably won't. Actually, it's not that bad. It just looks bad, but there's no hair really there. So yeah, there is no drain stopper in this anymore. If you do have a drain stopper and you want to use SinkShroom, you'll have to remove it. Pretty easy to do. I can show you that real quick. So here's kind of the way it used to be. So we had the stopper here, and you control how it goes from right back here. You raise this up, and it will push it down. And then you push it down and it will raise it up. This is disconnected right now, so but anyway, let me show you how to get this out. So yeah, it's in there. You can't really unscrew it or anything. What you have to do is you have to go underneath, open the cabinet doors here, and underneath. So yeah, underneath here, here's the drain, and right over here is where the rod that goes in holds that stopper in place. There's a hole in the stopper. So I'll show you that, but what you have to do is unscrew this, and then there's a little ball there, and then there is the rod there that holds it in. Just remove that. Again, mine's not connected to what I showed you earlier, so it's just going to kind of fall. But yeah, you can just, now see it kind of closed itself, so it's probably good to have something keep it from doing that, so I'll have to get something very thin and go in there and open this up. Alright, so yeah, there's the hole there. Okay, now we're making sure that we tighten this back so that we don't have any leaking, and it should be really tight once you do that as far as the movement here. Alright, so moving on now with SinkShroom. This is the stainless steel version, and it should last a lot longer. We have a little plastic adapter here that catches the hair. This is the 1.5, which I believe this is as well, and it's a pretty standard size for bathroom sink drains. They do have adapters back here as well for the 1-inch drains, 1 1/4, and then the 1 1.5. And I guess that's already in place there. But it looks like there may be some more, two more. I guess that's the 1 and 1 1/4. So yeah, you put your adapter in like they're doing here, then you push it down in the hole. After several uses, they say you may remove SinkShroom to wipe the collected hair off of the tissue or towel. Then again, like I explained earlier, if you have a stopper, you'll have to remove it there. So that's pretty much it. And the advantage of this is keeping the hair from going down in the drain is going to keep you from having to use chemicals to open your drain or slow drain, or use a drain auger as well. You shouldn't have to do that as often, and we haven't since I've been using this guy here. So it's been beneficial. Otherwise, I'd be like having to use some kind of chemical, or aug this thing like every 6 months or so, because this is an old house. So yeah, the last year since we've been using this, 1.5 2 years, I can't remember exactly, we have not had to do that. So it has definitely worked, and I'm pretty sure that this one's going to be even better. So let's go ahead and open it up and insert it. Alright, here we are out of the packaging. Stainless steel, so it should stay nice and shiny. We have a rubber silicone adapter here that is going to seat in the drain. This mesh part here is very heavy. I can't really push that in. So yeah, pretty durable. To remove this or replace this, if you have a different size, just pull it away. Like, let's see if I can do that better. Yeah, I'm using one hand here, but yeah, you can pull it off. I don't know if you can see. See there? So yeah, it's easy to pull off, and this should be the right size. Let's check it out and see if it is going to go down. Okay, so yeah, it's going right in place. And yeah, those little lips here will keep it up so that the water can go in here, 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 and then on the top as well. And then to remove it, just do this right here after a while, so you can remove the hair that's going to get caught in there. So yeah, pretty cool. I like it a lot. All right, let's try it out. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this hair from a wig and we're going to cut some of it off. We're going to do, this should be enough for a test. We'll cut it in. Let me do this off camera. I'll get right back. All right, so there we go. I don't know who's going to be doing this. Maybe somebody cutting their hair over the sink. If I do that, I usually put tissue down, but let's just say somebody doesn't do that. And all right, let's try to do this. We're going to make sure this goes down here. All right, so I don't think anybody's really going to be doing this. Most people would probably take this out. All right, let's see what we've got here. Put a little more water in there. All right, so if you were to do that, that's where your hair is going to be at. So yeah, you can see that it's caught all that was we're trying to force down there. So that's how it works. And I'm pretty happy with what we have here. And that'll be it. Thank you for watching the video. Until next time. Have a nice day again. That is SinkShroom, the metal or the stainless steel version. That's the concept right there. And this is the 1.5, and then there's a couple of adapters if you do have a smaller, if you have a 1 inch or a 1 1/4 inch. Thanks again. Until next time, have a nice day. Take care.